Perfect. We are planning to set up a small rocket stove. Rocket stove was like very viral in the internet once. Now it has been forgotten. So we'll set up a rocket stove and then we'll prepare a charcoal chicken. That's the day. So this is the basic setup. First we have to set up a first layer of bricks and then keep something like this. A mesh or anything is okay. And then we keep it in the middle. And then start piling up stones. The second layer should be the same as the first one. So second layer is done. What happens to the meshes when we keep the wood here, the fire goes from here and gives enough oxygen for the wood to burn and the fire goes up. The next thing we are going to close this in the next line. So 3 lines we have kept the same pattern. The 4th line we are going to close the bridge and going to build above that, and whenever the oxygen enters in, it helps in firing the wood and the heat goes up. So this is how we are going to close the bridge. A normal interlocking method. So this is going to stand like this. If we keep one more stone on top of it, it is going to stand permanently. Perfect. So this is how the rocket stove is. Whenever we keep firewood here, the oxygen is going to pull up from here and make the fire glow very good. That's it. What is the plan, Mom?
Charcoal tandoori with spices. There's a cleaning process has started.
So, what is the Pavin?
The ingredients what we are using is ginger garlic paste, little bit of turmeric, then chili powder, and this chicken masala powder. We are going to make this as a paste. Needle Pravina.
Our rocket stove is working perfect. Neat ga paga pain kosta undi. Neat ga aggi pain kosta undi.
Ade amatge yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy.
We are placing the chicken inside. I'll keep this one. Wing. I'll keep it here. I'll keep this way.
The chicken is getting ready. First round. So seeing how it comes, you should add some masala, salt, pepper. The first round came out well, so we are going for second round of tandoori. No, sorry, charcoal. So let's see how it comes out. So how was the experience, Mom?
Very nice. So the taste has come out wonderful. Hopefully, we'll finish it off
In no time.
in no time. Yeah. यहाँ से तो
Okay, signing off with a beautiful sunset, and see you soon in the next vlog. Take care, bye bye, and see ya.